Hi, good morning, Audrey. So today we're going to be working on IEP goals. So we're going to work on IEP goal number 1 and number 2. So let's go ahead and take out our packet that says IEP goals, and let's look at number 1. And right here it says, by the end of 9 instructional weeks with the use of assistive technology, when given visual, verbal model, and hand-over-hand prompts, Audrina will be able to engage in pre-reading and reading-related activities with 70% accuracy. So now that we've gone over our first goal, we're going to go ahead and flip the page over in your packet. And let's go ahead and look at this. Let's look for this story, Alex and Jim. So I'm going to go ahead and read this. So Audrina, please pay close attention. It says, Alex and Jim were bored. Jim wanted to play with toy cars. Jim wanted to play a new game. I know. Let's play car wash, said Alex. The boys put their toy cars in a line. Jim covered the cars with soap, and Alex washed off the soap with the hose. The cars and the boys got very wet. The car wash was a boy wash too. So let's go ahead and answer the following questions. So go ahead and flip the page of the story and let's go ahead and look for these questions. So number 1, Audrina, what is the story about? Is it about two boys that are bored? Or B, two boys that play with toy cars? Or two boys that take a bath? Circle the best answer. Great job. So number 2, what does the last sentence in the story mean? So let's go back to our story. So the last sentence says, the car wash was a boy wash too. So let's go here. Does it mean the boys got wet and soapy? B, Jim put soap on Alex. Alex wet Jim with the hose. So what is your best answer? What does it mean? What does the last sentence mean? The car wash was a boy wash too. Great job. So now that you've answered these 2 questions, I want you to take a picture and submit it for a grade. Once you've done that, you are done for the day. Just review your videos for life skills and get your exercise in. There's an exercise video that you can review as well. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. All right, Audrey, so let's go ahead and move over to goal number 2. So go into your packet and flip the page over to goal number 2. Disregard the other stories. Those are for a different week. So here in this goal number 2, we're going to identify and point to basic shapes. So right here we have our basic shapes. We have a circle. We have an oval. So the oval is the shape of an egg. A circle can be the shape of a ball. Sorry. Then we have a triangle. And the triangle can be in the shape of what's in the shape of a triangle? A pyramid. Like in Egypt. Then we have a rectangle, so that can be in the shape of a table. Then we have a square, and that can be the shape of a table as well, but we can say that can be the shape of a court, a tennis court. Then we have the shape of a diamond. So, Audrey, I want you to find or point to the circle. Which one is the circle? Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Number 2, find or point to the triangle. The triangle. Find the one that's the same. They look the same. Is it this one, the diamond, or rectangle, or triangle? So go ahead and find the one that looks like this one. Good job. So now that you've completed those 2 questions, I want you to go ahead and take some time Let me see. Take some time to take a picture and send it for a grade. So we'll only do 1 and 2 so that we can save the other questions. That's what I was scrolling down for to see for the next week. So take a picture and submit it for a grade. Good job.